this clip made for Kingsong S18, and the way you use this is just take this, slip it in there, and push down, and it just snaps into place. Very secure. Okay. So once it's clipped, it's not going anywhere unless you press up and it's loose. Then bring it back. When you want to use it again, locks into place. Now these hooks are made for these inverted heart bike lights. So when you're riding in the dark, it makes you a lot more visible. Makes you more visible than this strip of red light at the back. So what you do is you tie it like that. Hook it like this. Make a loop like this. To the other side, and then the other cross to the other side. And there you go. Should be nice and secure while you're riding. Now, I added a version without the hook, so you're free to remix and come up with your own designs for whatever you want to clip at the back of a Kingsong S18. So if you do a remix or you do make, feel free to tag me so I can see what you come up with. That's it. Have fun. Ride safe. Thanks.